Let's explore how to use a custom stock screen to find shares that match your investment criteria. Let's imagine you're looking for high-yielding, high-quality shares. The way we do that is by using the screener. Click Screens in the sidebar, and you'll see a blue button in the sidebar, New Screen. Click it, and you'll be taken to the default screening page. Here you can add rules and also change the sort order, and you can see how many shares are currently qualifying. This shows there are 1,521 results in our current subscription universe, which you can, of course, expand to other regions. You'll see all the currently qualifying stocks in the table below, which, of course, you can drill down into and use the pagination at the bottom to go and explore more deeply. But let's add a rule. Click the button, and we can either search for a metric in the search box or drill down using the categories we have available. You can browse through quality, value, momentum, growth, dividends, our StockRanks, size, and more. Let's search for yield. There you can see the dividend yield has come up. Click it, and we'll get a description to validate that that is the field we're looking for, as well as the ability to use the historical forecast data. I'm going to stick with the TTM version of this dividend yield, which is the trailing 12-month yield, the most up-to-date data we have. Click Add Rule, and it's added into the rule set. Dividend yield greater than, and I'm going to select 5%. So these shares, the 217, which are in the list, have a 5% or more yield. And you can see that the yield is added as a table column in the table below. Let's also add a constraint for quality. Click Add Rule again, and this time let's use the categories. Click Quality. We could use return on capital or other quality constraints, but I'm going to use the quality rank, which is our own proprietary ranking of company quality. Click Add Rule, and then again it's added into the rule set, Stockopedia quality rank greater than, and let's set 80. Once again, quality is added into the table, and it's reduced to just 61 results. Let's also say that we want to exclude a certain sector from our results. Click Add Rule, and I can then drill into the profile section, choose sector, click Add Rule, and then in the rule set, select Excludes and choose a sector. I'm going to exclude financials from this stock screen. I'm immediately reduced the universe down from 1,500 results just to 37. And that's enough for now. I now want to click Save. Click Save, and I'll be asked to give the screen a name, High Quality Yield. And when I click Save, it will then be added into my screening sidebar for future reference. If I click away and go and read the blogs, but I want to come back and find that, click Screens, and it's right there. You can, of course, move these screens up and down as you see fit by clicking the little toggle there. When you do go onto this page, you'll see that it's not editable, so you'll need to click Edit to change the rules, which of course you can make slightly more strict to reduce it further. You can also disable rules by clicking this checkbox, or you can drag them around so you can reorder them if you have a large rule set. And of course, you can delete any of the rules as you wish. That's the elements of basic stock screening, and I hope you use it to find shares that match your criteria.